Quantum physics and quantum computing are among the most exciting and complex fields in science today. While the terms might sound intimidating, understanding the basics is easier than you might think. Let's break them down in a way that's simple, engaging, and easy to grasp. Imagine a world where the familiar laws of physics, the ones that govern the arc of a ball in flight or the flow of water down a stream, cease to apply. This is the quantum realm, a place where particles can be in two places at once, where reality is more fluid than we ever imagined. Join me, Sir Salty, as we embark on a journey into the heart of quantum physics and computing, exploring the fundamental building blocks of the universe and unlocking the extraordinary potential they hold. In the vast tapestry of the cosmos, there exists a realm beyond our everyday perception, a realm where the very fabric of reality seems to shimmer and shift. This is the domain of quantum physics, the study of the universe at its smallest scales, where atoms and subatomic particles dance to a different tune. Unlike the predictable world of classical physics, where a ball thrown follows a defined arc, the quantum world is governed by probabilities and uncertainties. Here, particles don't behave like tiny billiard balls, but rather like waves spread out across space, their properties existing as a spectrum of possibilities rather than fixed values. Imagine, if you will, an electron, a fundamental particle that carries a negative charge. In the quantum realm, this electron doesn't exist in a single location, but rather as a cloud of probabilities, a shimmering wave function that only collapses into a definite state when we attempt to measure its properties. This inherent uncertainty, far from being a limitation, unlocks a realm of extraordinary phenomena. It's within this quantum dance that we encounter the concept of superposition. Superposition, a cornerstone of quantum physics, challenges our understanding of reality. Imagine a spinning coin, neither heads nor tails, but both simultaneously. This is the essence of superposition. Particles like electrons can exist in multiple states at once. This concept has profound implications for our understanding of the universe. Entanglement, a phenomenon Albert Einstein famously dubbed spooky action at a distance, lies at the heart of quantum physics' most perplexing mysteries. Imagine two particles separated by vast distances, perhaps even light years. Despite their separation, these particles remain intimately linked, their fates intertwined in a way that defies our classical intuitions. If we measure the state of one entangled particle, the state of its partner instantly snaps into a corresponding state, regardless of the distance between them. It's as if these particles communicate instantaneously, transcending the limitations of space and time. This instantaneous correlation, this quantum handshake, has profound implications. Imagine two entangled photons, each representing a bit of information. By manipulating and measuring these photons, we can establish secure communication channels impervious to eavesdropping, as any attempt to intercept the message would disrupt the entanglement, revealing the intrusion. Entanglement also underpins the power of quantum computing. By entangling qubits, we can create powerful correlations that allow for the exploration of vast computational spaces, enabling solutions to problems that would take classical computers billions of years to solve. Chapter 4. What is quantum computing? The computers we use every day, from smartphones to supercomputers, rely on the manipulation of bits, tiny switches that can be either 0 or 1. These bits form the building blocks of the digital world, representing information as a series of ones and zeros. Quantum computers, however, operate on an entirely different principle, harnessing the bizarre laws of quantum mechanics to achieve unprecedented computational power. Instead of bits, quantum computers employ qubits, which, thanks to superposition, can exist as 0, 1, or both simultaneously. This unique property of qubits allows quantum computers to perform computations on a massive scale. Imagine a library containing every book ever written. A classical computer would have to search through each book sequentially to find a specific phrase. A quantum computer, however, could access all the books simultaneously, finding the information in an instant. This ability to explore multiple possibilities at once makes quantum computers exceptionally well suited for tackling complex problems in fields like medicine, materials science, and artificial intelligence. Chapter 5. Why quantum computers, our special quantum computers, are not simply faster versions of our current computers. They represent a fundamental shift in how we process information. Their power stems from their ability to harness the unique properties of quantum mechanics, unlocking capabilities beyond the reach of even the most powerful classical computers. Imagine searching for a specific grain of sand on a vast beach. A classical computer would have to examine each grain individually, a daunting and time-consuming task. A quantum computer, leveraging superposition, could analyze all the grains simultaneously, finding the desired grain in an instant. This ability to explore multiple possibilities concurrently allows quantum computers to tackle problems that are practically impossible for classical computers. For instance, simulating the behavior of molecules for drug discovery or optimizing complex logistics networks would take classical computers billions of years, while a quantum computer could potentially solve them in a matter of hours. However, the power of quantum computers also presents challenges. Their sensitivity to environmental noise makes them prone to errors, and developing algorithms that effectively utilize their unique capabilities is an ongoing field of research. Chapter 6. What are quantum computers used for? While still in their early stages of development, quantum computers hold the potential to revolutionize numerous fields, ushering in a new era of scientific discovery and technological advancement. In medicine, quantum simulations could accelerate drug discovery by accurately modeling complex molecules, leading to the development of personalized treatments tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. We could unravel the complexities of diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, paving the way for effective therapies. Quantum computing could revolutionize materials science, enabling the design of lighter, stronger and more efficient materials. Imagine self-healing materials for aircraft wings or super-efficient solar panels that capture nearly all of the sun's energy. In finance, quantum algorithms could optimize investment portfolios, manage risk more effectively, and detect fraud with unprecedented accuracy, leading to a more stable and secure global financial system. These are just a few glimpses into the transformative potential of quantum computing. As research progresses and technology matures, the possibilities are boundless, promising a future where the seemingly impossible becomes reality. Outro: the quantum future awaits. Quantum physics and computing are like exploring a mysterious, invisible world that operates under its own unique rules. While they may seem abstract, their potential applications are very real, from curing diseases to safeguarding information. For now, quantum computers aren't replacing traditional computers. They're tools for tackling problems we couldn't solve before. As scientists and engineers continue to refine this technology, the possibilities are endless, and the future looks brighter than ever. Quantum computing might sound like magic, but at its heart, it's science unlocking the secrets of the universe.